Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you cannot recommend your life to your friends on Likee. So let's get started. Firstly, open Likee app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next tap on three dots icon. After that tap on settings. Next tap on privacy. Then you can see the option of don't recommend my life to friends. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can not recommend your life to your friends on Likee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.